If you just got your DJI OSMO Pocket 3 and you heard that filming in D-Log M will give you more flexibility in post to make your footage look more cinematic, you are right, but you might be afraid of the color grading process because you don't have any color grading experience, but you shouldn't be. Coloring the D-Log M footage that comes out of the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 is easy, simple, fast, and will allow you to copy and paste the same color grading to every clip that you have and all your future videos. Also, let me show you how not to waste time when color grading your footage. Let's go. Welcome in the studio, guys. I am Flash and today I will show you how I take my washed out DJI OSMO Pocket 3 footage and turn it into this nice contrasty and fully colored and saturated footage, and I do this in only 2 steps. But you can always stop after the first step if you don't want to waste more time by coloring your footage and you just want to transform it into a nice and normal looking footage, if you know what I mean. So feel free to take whatever you feel more comfortable with from this video, because I will split it in 2 parts, the main and the most important one, which is transforming your footage, and the other one, which is coloring your footage and make it more personal. And by the way, make sure that you have updated your DJI OSMO Pocket 3 to the latest firmware, because you don't want to miss the D-Log M option for the slow-mo mode of the camera. And if you don't know how to update your camera, feel free to watch my firmware update video here or here or here. Yeah, better like this. You can find it on the channel. Okay, back to D-Log M. As I was saying earlier, I will split this video in 2 parts. The first one is the color correction, which means transforming your footage from log into Rec 709, and this will make your footage look like this. And the second part is the color grading, which will allow you to go one step further and put your fingerprint on your footage and make it look like this. But you can feel free to skip this part, because if you don't want to mess around with the colors, better be safe than sorry. And also, if you don't have a good enough monitor, it is kinda hard to color grade. I mean, it is not hard to color grade, but it is hard to get something good out of it. It might look good on your screen, but on your friend's screen might look terrible, and on your uncle's phone might look even worse. So let me dive into the first step of the video, and for this we need our editing machine. In my case it is my laptop behind, and we will change a bit the setup. Let's go. Search for DJI OSMO Pocket 3 conversion LUT, and one of the first results that Google will give you is this one from the DJI official website, and you should open it, and you can choose here between the Mac version or the Windows version for the official DJI LUT to convert the footage from D-Log M to Rec 709. You need to remember where you will save it, so maybe desktop is a safe choice. And the next step is to right click on it and uncompress it. So on Mac you should just double click the archive, and now you can select it and copy it with Ctrl+C. For this demonstration I am using DaVinci Resolve because I have switched from Premiere a few weeks ago to DaVinci Resolve, and this is my main editing software, but you can do a similar thing in every video editing app to make everything work for you to color grade the DJI D-Log M footage. So what you need to do in DaVinci is to go in the color page and click on the LUT library right here to open, and after that you should click on every LUT that you see right here and click reveal in Finder, and this will open the DaVinci folder that contains all the LUTs included into the DaVinci software, DaVinci Resolve. And right here you should just paste the LUT that you have downloaded, and it asks me right now if I want to replace mine because I already have it here, and I will click replace, but you shouldn't get this pop-up because I assume you don't have already the LUT. Now you can close it and go back into the LUT library here into DaVinci and right click anywhere and click on refresh, and right now the library should have been refreshed and you should find here the DJI OSMO Action 4 or the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 D-Log M to Rec 709 V1. This is how it is called, and I have both because I also have the Action 4 camera. And of course, right now I'll need some footage to offload from my Pocket 3 to show you how to color correct it. So right now I have my footage ready for color grading, and I've put it here in the edit timeline, and I will go to the color again. This is the first clip and I will color this one. Watch out how easy it is. I just need to come here to my nodes and right click, and I go to the LUT section, and the list will open, which will contain my DJI OSMO Pocket 3 D-Log M to Rec 709 V1, and I click on it and boom, this is Rec 709 footage with just one click or two, or maybe a few clicks. But now you might ask, I need to do this for every single clip that I film? No, you just need to select the next clips all at once and then click on your scroll wheel when you are over the clip that you just colored, and this will be magic. Click replace and all the clips are now Rec 709, and they are bright, saturated, contrasty, and they look good. That easy. It is awesome and very quick, and I do this not only for my DJI OSMO Pocket 3, but I have made some LUTs for my Sony a7S III, my Sony a7 IV, and so on. It is really easy to use this process to color grade your footage. It is maybe not that professional because you don't color grade every scene, but it is quick and we don't have always time to color grade and play for hours with every color, every setting here in the color page. Your conversion LUT will always be present here in the LUT library unless you reinstall your video editing software. And now you might ask, what is the difference between the D-Log M footage that is colored this way and the normal color profile from the camera? And this is how it looks after you color corrected it with this method, and this is how the normal color profile looks, and this is without the RGB lights in the background with the D-Log M, and the normal color profile also with the lights turned off. As you can see, they are pretty similar, but the advantage for the D-Log M footage is that you have a lot more flexibility in post when it comes to little adjustments, color grading or corrections. Maybe something looks too dark, maybe you wanted to show an object to the camera and you didn't have the proper lighting, so yeah, you might play with the settings and get your footage to look better than throw it away. Also for my eyes, the D-Log M footage after the color correction looks a bit similar to the Sony log profile. I don't know, maybe it is just me, but you can tell me in the comments. And we should now move on to the second part, which is the color grading. The first thing that you should do is to move your node to the right a bit, because we need to apply all the color grading and color modifications to the footage before the conversion LUT. This is how I know it should be done. I am not 100% sure, but somehow it is logic, because the D-Log M is flexible and you can color grade it, and after you've applied your color grading, you convert it to Rec 709 and you bake it into the final form, let's say. Maybe if I am wrong, you can correct me down in the comments. Right click on your node and you go to add node and do the add serial before option, because this will add a node before the Rec 709 conversion, and here you can just play with your colors. And I usually like to bring my footage a bit towards the teal color, not so much, and as you can see, I didn't do much here. It is a very tiny adjustment, and I don't like huge shifts in the colors and things like that. Usually I prefer the stock look. So yeah, if you want to play more with the footage, you can do it, and you maybe find some good tutorials on YouTube and create your own LUT, because this is the part where I wanted to arrive. And for educational purposes I will do this. It is not something that you would like to watch for more than 2 seconds on YouTube or every other platform, but this is, let's say, the final color grading that we wanted, and we achieved it. So this is how it looked before, and this is our nice color graded footage. And you want to have this footage, this color grade applied to every single video that you create from today and on. So what you can do is, oops, what are you doing? Right click on your footage that you have colored and click on generate LUT, then choose 33 point cube for the LUT option, and you can now save it, and I will call it blue LUT. And now it is saved into my files, and I need to do the same process again. Copy it into the DaVinci Resolve library, into the files, then refresh it, and I will have it here for unlimited time. And after that, let's say this footage here, I will reset my node, and this is how it was before we started color correcting it. And let me see, LUT, blue LUT, this is the LUT that we just created, and now I can apply this grade to my new footage that I will film 1 week after I filmed this video. And of course, if I want to apply it to the rest of the clips, I just select them and then middle click on the video that I want to steal the colors from, and this is done. Easy and quick, very quick, but it looks like trash. Of course, this is the quick way, maybe for the talking head sections of your videos, or maybe for your b-roll shots that you took in your studio where the light is controlled and it is always the same. But if you have a more complex and a more premium project, let's say, maybe you just want to convert the DJI footage to Rec 709 and apply the grade individually to all of the clips, and you will get some better results. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of the community, and tell me in the comments how do you like to grade your footage. Also, hit the like button if you found this video to be helpful, and I will see you soon from the studio with a video where I will talk about how I film in S-Log3 with my Sony a7S III, and maybe also how I color grade it. So yeah, until next time, Flash out.